To join a Schoology course for professional learning, from your class link, you will click on GISD Schoology. It is a black icon with the blue circle and white S, and it will say GISD Schoology. You will be taken to your Schoology course dashboard. To add the course you're taking for professional learning, you will click on the Courses menu and click at the far right on My Courses. Then you will click Join a Course. Your professional learning provider or facilitator should have given you an access code that you will type here. The access code is not case sensitive and you do not have to type the dashes. Once you have typed the access code, click Join. You will see the new course here in this courses list, and if you click the GISD logo to return to your course dashboard, you will also see it has been added to your dashboard. Now, it generally adds to the bottom of the dashboard, and if you have a lot of things on your dashboard and want to be able to get to this course quickly, you can simply drag it up to the top row or wherever you want to have it while you're taking the course. To access the contents of the course, you'll simply click on its tile on your dashboard and you will be inside your course.